In this video, we will cover updates on the carbon fiber engine cover restore series. In the case that I hadn't started a YouTube channel, I would have done method 1 in part 1 of the series, and I'd be completely fine with these covers as they look good when you stand around the car and you look in. Even if you're a person that goes to car shows, most people won't know the difference. Being a part of the RS4 community though, I've realized that most people that own these cars are quite picky about them, so this is not going to be the finished form for these covers. I am going to continue with them in this form throughout this summer. Hopefully I can get a few really long drives in, maybe some long road trips in order to see if the yellowing severely comes back with the method from part 1. Once the testing for this method is complete, we are going to remove the covers and do a full fresh carbon rewrap on them, and we're going to do epoxy. So if you want to, wait until this series is completed, and then you can decide whether method 1 works better for you if you're not too picky, or if you want to go with the method that is more expensive and time consuming, but gives a more perfect finish. I'll now hold a light over it and zoom into both of the covers just so that you can see exactly what's going on with what's left in terms of the yellowing. Almost nobody is ever going to look at them this close, but this will help you guys in your decision making.